My dear students, my little friend, parents, namaskar. Once again, we are going to start our next lecture, bridge course 1. જે સ્ટુડન્ટ ડાયરેક્ટ સેકન્ડ લેક્ચરમાં જોવે છે બહેતરી છે કે ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચર જોવો, કારણ કે આ સેકન્ડ લેક્ચર સર કડી સર બધા ઓળખે છે. હવે પહેલા ચેપ્ટરનું કનેક્શન છે જે અમે પહેલા ચેપ્ટરમાં ભણ્યું, એટલે પહેલો લેક્ચર જે જોયો ન હોય તે જોઈ લેજો અને પછી સેકન્ડ લેક્ચર જોજો તો વધારે મજા આવશે. હવે આપણે we are going to start our second lecture of bridge course. Here in the last lecture we discussed group number 1, group number 2, some tricks given, yes, for the atomic number, element, how to remember. We discussed the trick also about it. 4 groups we discussed in last lecture. Once again, group number 1, 10. Revise just in 2 minutes. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Clear? In the last lecture we discussed group means vertical line, ऊभी line in the periodic table. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium also. Now we also discussed about group number 16, and elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. And group number 17 are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Clear? I had given a trick for that in last lecture. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Here number of elements are 6. એટલે જ્યારે ગ્રુપમાં નંબર ઓફ એલિમેન્ટ 6 હોય, so we used 5 code in last lecture. Last 5, not first one. First મૂકીને last 5. First element નો એટોમિક નંબર કમ્પલસરી યાદ હોવું જ જોઈએ. યસ, તો એનો એટોમિક નંબર છે 3. 8 એડ કરો, so 11. 11 માં 8 એડ કરો, so 19. 19 ની અંદર 18 એડ કર્યો, so 37. 37 plus 18, so 55. 55 plus 32, so it gives 87. Yes, in your throughout the syllabus of 11-12 science, you have to no need to remember atomic mass. We have to only remember atomic numbers. So this is the trick for the remember atomic number. Now in beryllium, atomic number 4. Here also elements are 6. Understood? And 8. 4 plus 8, so 12. 12 plus 8, so 20. 20 plus 18, so 38. 38 plus 18, so 56. Then 32, so 88. Clear? Now oxygen. હવે આ ટ્રીકમાં atomic number of first element we have to remember. Then we can apply our this codes. Understood? So 8 plus 8. No. Here total number of elements is changed. You can see here are 6. Here are 5. So for this 5 we have to choose only 4 code. First 2 we have to લીવ બે મૂકી દેવાના. લાસ્ટ 4. 8 plus 8, so 16. 16 plus 18, so 30. 16 plus 18, 34. 34 plus 18, 52. Then 32, so 84 is polynomial. Now group number 17, 9. First element atomic number 9. Here number of elements are 5. So we have to use code last 4. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 18, 35. 35 plus 18, 53. 53 plus 32, so 85. Understood? Now we are going to another group, sir. Group number 13. Yes, sir. Now vertical line and group number 13. In Gujarati there is a trick. Bo a the means boron. Don't laugh. I am giving you trick. Boron. Then aluminium. This one gallium. This one indium. And this one thallium. Understood? Bo a gear e the. This is trick to remember. Actually elements are 5. How many elements are there in your group number 13? 5. Bo a ge the. Yes. Repeat 3 or 4 times so it will be remember. Here we just say boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Understood? Now atomic number of boron is 5. Atomic number of boron is 5. So here total elements are 5. So code will be 4, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. So last 4 code we will use. Start with 8. 5 plus 8. 13. What is 13? 13 is the atomic number. Nothing else. 5 is atomic number. Group ma first element no atomic number you should remember. Otherwise trick is not applicable. Obviously 13 plus 18, so 31. Chemistry is joy and you have to enjoy your lecture. Then 18 plus 18, so 8, 1, 9 and 49. 49 plus 32, so it is 81. Bo a ge the. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Understood? And now first letter, I told you last lecture, it should be capital. Second one should be small. Gallium, capital A. First letter should be capital. Remember, we can't represent aluminium like this. No, wrong. Gallium, Ga, it's not allowed. First letter compulsory capital and second should be smaller. Yes, that is the trick. That is the representation method. Now, in boron, atomic number is 5. So tell me, number of protons are 5 and number of electrons also 5. So in first orbit there are 2 electrons, and in the second orbit there are 3. So any element which forms compound, so take only outermost electron. Outermost electron, the last one orbit હોય એ જ participate કરશે, not inner one. So here boron having 3 electrons in outermost. Inner electron never take part in the chemical bond. In compound, એટલે compound બનાવવામાં, form કરવામાં outermost electron part લેશે, inner ભાગ લેશે નહીં. We are going to form bond with hydrogen. So yes, here discussion start with hydrogen. Hydrogen having 1 electron. Atomic number 1? Yes, sir. So hydrogen is discussing with boron what to do, how to do. So boron, hydrogen both participates 1 electron of each. Boron says, I have 3. Hydrogen says, I have 1. So hydrogen and boron participates of 1 electron of each. એટલે બેયને એક એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોનનું પાર્ટિસિપેશન કરશે. એટલે જો આ પાર્ટિસિપેટેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય ને, it should be of both. હવે બેય ના ગણાય, sharing electrons છે. આ 2 હાઇડ્રોજન ના પણ કહેવાય, આ 2 બોરોન ના પણ કહેવાય. Participated electrons should be of both. Yes, now owner of these 2 electrons are both. આ પણ કહેવાય, આ પણ કહેવાય. So now hydrogen has completed 2 to 2, but boron having 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 boron. So our formula should be BH3, boron hydride. Understood? Now in your standard 8, 9, 10, you have discussed about octet rule. Yes, every element try to complete its octet. It's not compulsory. It necessary but not compulsory. Octet complete થવું જોઈએ, પણ ના થાય તો એ compound હોય છે. Yes, sir. That is the limitation of 8, 9, 10. Octet completed ના હોય તો પણ compound બનશે. Yes. Now aluminium also having 3 electrons in outermost orbit. It combines with hydrogen by sharing 1 electron of each. So here aluminium hydride is the compound. Now boron combines with chlorine. So what happens there? Yes. Suppose aluminium, yes. In the group number 13, first store in your mind, atomic number of boron is 5. So first orbit ma 2, second ma 3. Aluminium, 13 number. So 2, 8 and 3. So outermost orbit having 3 electrons. Understood? So you have to remember that in the group number 13, all the element having 3 electrons in outermost orbit. In the, once again I am telling you, in the group number 13, outermost number of electrons are 3. Yes, sir. So whenever aluminium is going to combine with chlorine, so what happens there? Chlorine, atomic number 17, 2, 8 and 7. So outermost orbit having 7 electron of the chlorine. Yes, sir. So aluminium says I have 3. Chlorine having 7. So it has one needed to complete its octet. So it receives one electron from the chlorine and complete its octet. So our chlorine became -1 charge having species having ion, and aluminium has lost the 3 and it became +3 ion. So our compound is AlCl3 and we are calling aluminium chloride. Understood? Aluminium has lost 3 electron. All the 3 chlorine atom has gained one more electron. After gaining chlorine became -1 ion. After losing aluminium became +3 ion. Why? After losing 3, octet completed. આ 3 કી octet complete. આ gain કરીને octet complete થાય. એટલે in the some of the cases elements are complete try to complete its octet, but in some compound octet is not necessary to complete. Now aluminium is going to combine with oxygen. Yes, aluminium 2, 8 and 3 atomic number 30. So in first orbit 2, second 8, last one 3. Oxygen having atomic number 8, so 2 and 6. So oxygen has 6 electron in outermost orbit. Once again, inner electrons never take part in the formation of the bond. Oxygen needed 2 to complete its octet. After losing aluminium 3, it became stable. Octet complete થાય. આ 3 lose કરશે, આ 2 gain કરશે. But you can see charge is not balanced here. Aluminium has lost 3 electron. Oxygen has gained 2 electron. So aluminium is +3 having charge, where oxygen possesses -2 charge. So 3 plus NCRT and 2 minus. So what happens actually? So actually what happens there? Every compound should be neutral by charge. Compound compulsory neutral by charge. So here cross multiplication rule we have to follow. Yes, 2 should be multiplied with aluminium, 3 with the oxygen. So it means that aluminium should be 2 times, oxide should be 3 times, and then compound will be, now you can see total charge of aluminium +6, total charge of oxygen -6, so it is neutral. So our compound will be Al2O3 and we are calling aluminium oxide. Understood? Here this type of compound forms by the donating electron, by the gaining electron, otherwise by the sharing electron. Compound forms with different type of elements when combined. Understood? Aluminium 3 losing करे એટલે 3 plus, oxygen 2 gain करे 2 minus, तो charge balance નથી. So we have to balance charge first. કારણ કે compound છે it should be neutral by charge. એની પર કોઈ charge હોવો ના જોઈએ. So for the balancing of charge we have to take 2 times aluminium and 3 times oxide. So it is Al2O3. Understood? Yes. Now aluminium is combining with chlorine. So what happens? Aluminium having atomic number 13, 283. Outermost electrons are 3. In the chlorine, 2, 8 and 7. Outermost electrons are 7. Needed 1 to complete octet. No anyone gives 5 to aluminium. Only 3 are present. So it has 3 loose term. Plus 3, minus 1. So here chlorine having 7. One gains from aluminium. Another chlorine also having 7. One gains from aluminium. Third one also having 7. And it gains 1 electron from the aluminium. So aluminium losing 3 electrons and it gives aluminium chloride. Understood? Like this. Now in group number 14. Yes. In our group number 14, elements are carbon. In group number 14, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. For this group I have a trick, but which is in our mother tongue and also in English. Kasi jatile, don't laugh. Kasi jatile. યાદ રાખવા માટે છે. કાંસી જટિલ, કાર્બન, સિલિકોન, જર્મેનિયમ, સ્ટેનસ, and lead. કાંસી જટિલ. Remember, Kasi Jatil. Stenus means tin. In Gujarati also, it is tin. Here, total number of elements tell me. In the group number 14, elements are 5. Which one? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Once again, in the group number 14, elements are 5. Which one? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Here atomic number of carbon. Pelham फरजियात compulsory we have to remember. Then we can apply our trick. Code 288, 18, 18 and 32. Here elements are 5. So we have to apply 4 code. First 2, no need. Last 4 we have to apply. 6 plus 8, so 14. What is 14? 14 is atomic number. 14 plus 18. Then after 18. પહેલાનો atomic number યાદ હોવું છે. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 18. So 32. 32 plus 18. 50. 50 plus 32. Yes, it is 82. These are the atomic numbers of the group number 14 elements. Once again, element of group number 14 are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 18, 32. 32 plus 18, 50. 50 plus 32 gives 82. Yes, in the group number 14, outermost number of electrons are 4. You can see carbon 6 numbers. So in first orbit 2, last 4. So which electrons are taking part in the formation of the bond? Last one. So there are 4 electrons. So these four take part. Suppose carbon we are taking. So it has a 4 electron in outermost orbit. Inner electron never take part in the chemical bonding, only outermost. Hydrogen having one. So hydrogen and carbon combines with each other by sharing of 1 electron of each. Carbon and hydrogen. Carbon પાસે 4 છે. So no any element gives 4 electron to the carbon. And carbon has no capacity to lose 4. So it has only one way. And that is the participation. Yes, sir. So carbon participates with hydrogen. So hydrogen complete its 2. Every hydrogen had completed 2. Yes, sir. And now carbon has also completed 8. 4 of on and 4 of hydrogen. So participated electrons are of both. The participated electrons are બેયના કહેવાય. So carbon when combines with hydrogen, one carbon, so it gives methane, CH4. Like this, silicon, yes, silicon also having 4 electrons. So it combines with hydrogen by sharing of 1 electron. So hydrogen having 2. Every hydrogen has completed its 2 electron. Silicon having 4. 4 plus 4. So octet is completed. Now, so our compound is the silicon hydride. You have listened about diamond. Yes, sir. Diamond. What is diamond? In the diamond, all the particles, all the atoms of carbon having 4 electrons. So another carbon comes to contact with another. So every carbon combines with another 4 carbon and complete every carbon its octet. And this pattern repeats again and again. Understood? એટલે કાર્બન પાસે 4 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ છે તો another 4 સાથે participate કરે. So diamond is one of the strong hardest material. Now with oxygen, yes, carbon is combining with oxygen. So what happens there? Different type of compound occurs when carbon combines with oxygen. Suppose 1 carbon and 1 oxygen combines with each other. So what happens there? Carbon having 4 electron in outermost, oxygen having 6. So here carbon and oxygen both બે electron sharing કરે. Oxygen has completed its octet. So these are 6. So remember, octets should be completed or not completed. Compound forms. Now in carbon dioxide, yes, carbon having 4 electron in outermost, oxygen having 6. બેનું sharing થાય. બેનું sharing. Octet complete. અહીંયા ઓક્સિજનના બેનું sharing. Octet complete. અહીંયા કાર્બનનું પણ complete થયું. So it gives carbon dioxide, CO2. આના 6 electron, 1 2 3 4 5 6. આના 1 2 3 4 5 6. આના 4. આ sharing ના છે બેયના ગણે. આ 8, આ 4 અને આ 4 8. 4 and 4 8, 4 and 4 8 of carbon. Now in group number 17 when combines with the carbon. Chlorine 287, chlorine coming with the carbon, so both sharing 1 electron. So here 8 of this chlorine, 8 of this, 8 of this, 8 of this, and 8 of carbon. So it is the CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Now group number 15. Yes, sir. In the group number 15, tell me, elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. In the group number 15, elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Yes, nitrogen you have to revise 4 or 5 times. In the group number 15, tell me elements which are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Here atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32 is our code. Here number of elements are 5. So we are using 4 code, last 4, not first 2. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 18, 33. 33 plus 18, 51. 51 plus 32, so 83. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 18, 33. Plus 18, 51. Plus 32, so 83. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Here. Now in the group number 15, suppose nitrogen. Atomic number 7. So total electron are 7. In first orbit there are 2 electrons. In outermost there are 5. Understood? So in nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electrons are present. So throughout the group there are 5. In the group number 14, I told you there are 4 electrons. In phosphorus 2, 8 and 5. Outermost electron throughout the group, all the element having 5 electron. That is the thing of group number 15. The same group na element hoine, so outermost electron same. So all the element gives the same type of compounds due to outermost, not inner. Outermost configuration, inner are different, outermost are same. So nitrogen having 5 electrons. When it comes contact with the hydrogen, so discussion start with the hydrogen, what to do. So hydrogen having 1, nitrogen and hydrogen both shares 1 electron of each. Here nitrogen with hydrogen shares 1 electron of each. So here hydrogen has completed its 2 electron. And nitrogen 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 is completed. You can see out of 5, 3 is taking part in the bond, but 2 are remains as it is. And electrons which are taking part, that is called bonding electron. Electrons which are not taking part of outermost orbit is the non-bonding, but octet is completed here. So NH3. Now pH3. Also, yes, phosphorus also gives this type of compound. One of electron of the hydrogen and one of the phosphorus. So here you can see every hydrogen has completed 2 and phosphorus has 8. So it gives pH 3. Now phosphorus having 5 electrons, it combines with chlorine. So chlorine have 7. So all chlorine, all 3 combines with phosphorus by sharing 1 1. So octet of chlorine completed and octet of phosphorus also. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 8. 6 plus 2. આ જે participated હોય ને એ બે આના પણ ગણાય આના પણ ગણાય. Understood? Now last group of the day is 18. So here vertical lines over here. Group number 18, which is called noble gases, otherwise inert gases. Why? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Elements of the group number 16 tell me. 18. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Here number of elements are 6. First element having atomic number 2. Code 288, 18, 18 and 32. So here elements are 6, so we have to apply code 5. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. Plus 18, 54. Then 32. So gives 86. This is the trick. Element 6 હોય તો code 5 use કરવાના. 5 હોય તો 4 code use કરવાના. Understood? Helium, atomic number 2. So there are 2 electrons in outermost orbit. So first orbit ma, due to standard 10, you learned about electronic configuration. In first orbit there are 2 electrons. So 2 is present. So no need to gain or lose. So which is inert. The chemical bond form nahi kare, inert. So it is also noble. 10, 2, 8. Second orbit ma 8. So it is completed. Octet already completed. 2 8 8. આ બધામાં exceptionally helium having 2, another having 8. So octet is completed. So no need to lose any electron or gain any electron. So which are called inert gases. Inert. But exceptionally, we will discuss in 11-12 science, krypton and xenon. In some cases, it makes compound. But helium, neon, argon, radon, ક્યારે compound બનાવતું નથી. Never forms. Exceptionally, krypton and xenon forms a compound. I hope you enjoyed your lecture. Once again, students watching direct second lecture, please watch my first lecture for your base. In our third lecture, we will discuss about ionic chart, yes, which is very important in 11-12 science. So don't miss. Subscribe my channel, myself, KT sir, everybody knows as a KT sir. Subscribe, like, bye, take care, stay home, bye, we will meet in our next lecture, bye.